Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your crypto account with SoFi, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your crypto account with SoFi, start by opening the SoFi app or website. Log in to your existing SoFi account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the crypto trading section. Look for the verification prompt or instructions displayed on your screen. Click on the link to begin the verification process. You will be asked to provide your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the information matches your official identification. Next, you will need to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the image is clear and all corners of the ID are visible. If prompted, take a selfie to verify your identity. Follow any additional instructions to complete the identity verification. After submission, wait for a notification regarding the status of your verification. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email or message within the app. Check that your account status is updated to reflect your verified status. Now you can start trading crypto on SoFi with full access. If you encounter any issues during the verification, refer to SoFi's help section. You can also contact SoFi's customer support for assistance if needed. Following these steps will help you successfully verify your crypto account with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.